This is a Toyota Camry 2007 and starting to burn engine oil. I have to put about a quarter every 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm planning to change the PCV valve and see whether that fixes the problem. So to change the PCV valve, you have to open up this one. You need to use 10 millimeters wrench. So just take it out. If it is too hard, just put some WD-40 oil. So let's remove this cover, and this is the PCV valve. So to remove that, first you have to just loosen this up, and then probably I need a screwdriver here. Sometimes you have to use the screwdriver to get this out. Make sure you don't damage the hose. Okay, so this came out, and you can see the hose looks pretty okay, but still I do see a little bit of break here. You see here I have a small break here. Probably I need to get a new hose soon, because I don't think this hose, if I cut it, this hose is going to be enough. Let me see. Probably if I cut it, I should be able to reuse this hose. So let me try that. First, let's take this nut out. You need to use a 22 millimeter or 7/8 deep socket wrench. So I have to use right to take this nut out. It's not lefty loosey, righty tighty. Out. This is the older one. I'm going to get this replaced with the new one. I'm going to get this clean up first. So now it's the left side. This goes into, okay. Right, that's tight enough. Yeah, I can put this back if I cut it, because if you don't have enough length, make sure you don't cut it until you have a new one. So you see here, this is a broken part. Probably I'm going to get a new hose soon. Right, so let's so this looks pretty tight, but I'm going to get a new hose because I need this all the way here, but it's not completely covering up to this end. So let's put the cover back in. Alright, this is how you replace the PCV valve in your Camry. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Alright, thanks, bye.